In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Amazon Prime Video. If you've ever found yourself struggling with the default language settings, or just want to enjoy the experience in your preferred language, this guide is going to help you out. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Amazon Prime account. Now head over to your web browser and type in the URL primevideo.com. This will take you to the Amazon Prime Video homepage, where you can access all your favorite shows and movies. Once you're on the website, look towards the upper corner of your screen to find your profile icon. It's usually located on the right side of the navigation bar at the top. Click on this icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This section is your go-to for managing various preferences, including playback settings, parental controls, and billing information. When you click this, you might be prompted to confirm your login details for security purposes, so have those ready if need be. You're now in the Settings section. Here you'll see multiple tabs or options. What you need to do is click on Language. This option allows you to change the language in which content menus and display text appear, making your browsing experience more comfortable and familiar. Within the language section, you will see a button labeled Change. Go ahead and click on that. A list of available languages will pop up. Amazon Prime Video supports a variety of languages, covering many regional and global preferences, so take your time to scroll through the list. Once you've found the language that you're comfortable with, click on it to make your selection. Selecting the right language is crucial for understanding show descriptions, menus, and any other on-screen text. This step enhances your streaming experience, ensuring it's as enjoyable and seamless as possible. After selecting your preferred language, look for the Save button, which is typically found at the bottom of this list or page. Clicking on Save will confirm your changes and apply the new language setting to your account. Make sure to save your changes to ensure the language is updated across all devices linked to your account, providing consistency in settings. And there you have it. Changing the language on Amazon Prime Video is that straightforward. Every change you make here is automatic, so once saved, the website will refresh, and you'll notice the updates in the language. If you ever need to switch languages again, simply follow these same steps. Enjoy your shows and movies in your chosen language, and happy streaming.